The PowerMax PM4 55A RV converter delivers steady 12-volt direct current power that keeps onboard electronics and lighting running smoothly, even under heavy load. The built-in multi-stage charging profile treats batteries gently, helping them charge quickly while avoiding the kind of overcharging that shortens their service life. With an adjustable output range that suits lithium, absorbed glass mat, gel, and traditional flooded batteries, it works well across a wide mix of modern and legacy setups. Protections against reverse polarity, overload, and overheating add a strong layer of safety, which is especially reassuring in cramped RV and marine electrical bays. The unit integrates cleanly into recreational vehicle, marine, and off-grid solar systems, providing a single reliable source for both conversion and battery maintenance. Its compact, rugged housing and straightforward wiring layout make installation and long-term use relatively painless for do-it-yourself owners and technicians alike.